Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Kelsey and I share motherhood and lifestyle videos. I love to share content that both inspires and motivates you to be the best that you can be. Today's video is in collaboration with a bunch of my friends here on YouTube. We are calling this little series today, Staying Home for the Holidays. So make sure you check out all of their videos as well. Up next after my video is Miss Frances Marie's video, and hers is set to air at 2 o'clock today. We plan these videos since our holidays are all gonna be a little bit different this year with everything going on. Most of us probably won't be going and doing things that we normally do for the holiday season. The reason we decided to do these videos today is to give you guys some motivation or inspiration to make the holiday season a little bit happier and brighter given everything that's going on. So there's gonna be tons of like recipe ideas and planning for the holidays. I think some decor, I'm sure some cleaning motivation, and then possibly some gift guides. So today in my video, I plan to do planning out the month of September, planning out the month of December. I keep a decent sized calendar hung up on my wall. That way me and my husband can both reference it and kind of know what's coming in the next few days or weeks. I usually put what we have planned for supper that night, as well as which days I work, if the kids have anything specific going on, if there's any events, which there's really not, but I'm gonna make my own events and stuff like that. I like to keep it all in this decent sized calendar so that way my husband or I can reference it at any time. And then I'm gonna share a couple ideas for gifts. I made a couple of quick, easy gift guides, but they are geared towards my kids' age. So I have a 2-year-old daughter and a 7 and 9-year-old boys. So I did like a toddler girls gift guide, and also like ages probably 6 to 9 or 6 to 10 gift guide for boys. So I will show you some of the ideas I have for that. And then I also have a really super simple, easy dessert recipe that I want to share with you guys. Anyways, make sure you guys check out the other girls' videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you a part of my community. And then you can also find me on Instagram at Kelsey_Crawford5. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. So first, I'm going to schedule out my calendar. Obviously, I'm not gonna put my meals in there yet because that's too far out and I do not meal plan that far out. But I am gonna write like which days I work, and I have some ideas in mind for things I wanna do as a family, like with the kids. So I'm gonna put those on the calendar too. That way I can just kind of see where I have what and maybe what I wanna add or take away. Okay, so far I just have a few things listed. I listed all the days I worked, highlighted those in orange so they pop out a little bit more. So far for December 5th, we have planning to make like a wish list for the gifts the kids want. And then for the 6th, we have Christmas crafts. I don't know if we'll do them all on that day, but those are just a few ideas I have to make some snowflakes out of paper, make those like sock gnomes that I've been seeing, and then it'd be fun to just make some ornaments, whether it's like the clear ones you fill with paint, and then I have like a Cricut. They could make their own saying or decal on the outside, or the salt door ornaments would be fun as well. On the 12th, I want to start baking some Christmas goodies. Normally I would do it like later, like at the 18th or 19th, but I work that weekend, so I'm gonna start them on the 12th. And then we can always do some the 15th, 16th, or 17th too while I'm off of work. Our absolute favorite Christmas tradition that we have right now is making gingerbread houses. We have been doing that for the last few years, and usually my parents come over too, and we kind of like team up and have 3 or 4 houses going. And then it's just fun to see like what each team comes up with, and I don't know, it's just honestly so much fun. We usually have dinner and make it like a whole event. And then on the 21st, I think it'd be fun to get like some of those, don't mind Everly in the background, get some of those like throwaway coffee cups with the lid. I think it'd be fun to make some hot chocolate and drive around and look at Christmas lights. And then on the 24th, we have planned to give all the kids their Christmas jammies. And then my favorite movie to watch on Christmas Eve is The Polar Express. So then we'll hopefully watch that. Okay, you guys, so that is the ideas that I have in mind. I know that I'm gonna kind of end up shifting things around or adding more things in there for sure. Let's be real, the whole month of December is gonna be filled with Christmas movies. I wanna show you guys my quick gift guides that I have for the kids this year. And obviously I'm not gonna get everything on here. This is just stuff that I know my kids would be into, or kids that are around my kids' age. So it's just to give you guys a few ideas if you're having a hard time. Okay, you guys, I apologize that this is on the computer, so like the footage isn't gonna be the greatest, but I just wanted to give you kind of a quick overview of like what I have set. So some toddler girl ideas would be a personalized name puzzle. I think that is so cute. I did find this on Etsy, and I think it was like around 20 bucks. Everything else I've listed is pretty much from Amazon. But also, how fun would this purse set be with like a little bit of makeup, the phone, the keys, and I think it says like a credit card. Everly loves doing anything that's like me or what I do, so I think she would think this is so fun. Also a little dress up set for little girls. She is just kind of finally getting into that. Like I said, she's 2, but I think anything like 2 above would love doing some dress up. And they also have like the jewelry and the shoes and stuff like that. I had a set of these magnet tiles for the boys when they were younger, and they loved them. If you have never gotten your kid magnet tiles, I would say this is an amazing idea. There's so much you can do with them, and they think they are so fun. So this makeup kit is very similar to the purse I showed above, but I think Everly would love this. Like, I think this might be something that I do end up getting her this year. This is all fake, so no actual product will come off on anything. Hallelujah, that's the best invention ever. And then also this little doll set. Everly is so into dolls right now, and I know most girls, young toddlers are, so I think this little pack and play stroller set would be so cute for her. So next up, I would say this is anywhere ages 6 to 10. First up, I have these cute little wooden car set that you put together, and then you can paint and add stickers. I think both boys would really be into this because I don't think it'd be too hard for for Nolan. And like I said, Caden's really into crafts. Second off, I found this awesome walkie-talkie set. So these walkie-talkies, like I said, are off Amazon. And they said they can reach up to 3 miles, and they have like a 2-way radio. So they're not like the cheap ones that you get where you can't go very far. And then they have the cute little matching like compass watches. I think the boys would think that is so fun. All boys that I have ever met in my life love Nerf guns. So how fun is this Nerf gun set with some targets for them to shoot at? Now, it doesn't have to be this Nerf gun set, obviously, but any Nerf gun set boys love. And then I also found this cute paper airplane craft book where it'll teach them how to make different types of paper airplanes. And like I said earlier, the boys are obsessed with making paper airplanes these days, so this would be a great idea. They all love Legos. Right now they're really into Minecraft, so I put this one, but any Lego set that's in your child's age range would be great. And then a set of books. I plan to get both my boys a set of books or like a series. Anyways, so that is the ideas that I have. I hope that gave you guys at least 1 or 2 ideas of things that you could do for gifts for either your kids, nieces and nephews, grandkids, cousins, anything like that. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the recipe. I can't wait to show you guys, and I think it's gonna turn out so good. Okay, so again, some hot chocolate mix, marshmallow fluff, and Cool Whip topping. And this is just an 8-ounce Cool Whip. 7 ounce, I think it calls for 7.5, but this is 7 ounces of the jet puffed marshmallow cream. And then it calls for 3.85 ounce packets. Well, these are 1.38. So I'm gonna do 2 packets, which is just a little bit more than what the recipe calls for, but I dumped half of it anyway, so. And you want to make sure your Cool Whip is thawed. So I just have had it in the fridge. I bought it frozen and I've had it in the fridge for a couple days, which it wouldn't take that long. Okay, you guys, how simple was that recipe? I mean, literally, what did that take me? It took me maybe like okay, that's being dramatic. Maybe like 5 minutes. Super, super simple. And it makes like quite a bit. Some mini marshmallows would be cute. Some crushed up candy canes would be cute. I didn't have any of that, so I just garnished it with a little bit more hot chocolate mix. But I thought I had graham crackers, and I don't. My kids must have ate them all, but that's fine. I just got a box of vanilla wafers, and you can tell my kids got into them before I opened them, so it's upside down. And then I also have some strawberries I thought would be really good dipped in there too. So I'm gonna do just a quick taste test. That is really good. Super simple. 100% hands down, have it with strawberries or probably any fruit. That is super, super good. Again, super fun, would be super simple to make with your kids at home. I hope you guys try it. If you do, tag me on Instagram at Kelsey_Crawford5. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you motivation to get planning your holiday schedule and kind of figure out what things you want to do with your family. Again, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a video. My video for next week I have planned is to undecorate all this fall stuff. But anyways, guys, thanks again. I'll see you next time. Bye.